How was school?
Amazing.
Oh, yeah?
No.
Hey, did I tell you I got the position?
What? That's amazing, babe. When do you start?
Next couple of weeks. Crazy how the whole thing went down, too. It's like they couldn't wait to get rid of Dale.
Oh.
Anyway, I think they're gonna fire him. He's been showing up to work late. He's been a problem every day. I can't understand why they... Babe. Patricia?
Mom?
Oh, I thought I saw something. Ah, never mind. What were you saying? Charles.
Yeah, I heard it too. Wait here.
Drop the knife. Go sit your ass down. Hold the hell up. Hey yo! Get up in here, bruh!
What? What do you... You good, bro?
Point your gun at her.
What?
Point your gun at the kid, bruh. I knew it!
Knew what, bro? Knew what?
Man, this family racist as hell, bruh.
What? Bro, are you serious?
It's 2020, and we still suffering from the discrimination that is the proclamation that is the segregation of this hateful nation.
What?
The racists.
They aren't racist, bro. You just hold the gun scary.
How do I hold the gun?
You do it like sideways.
I hold the gun like a nigga. Oh, you think that's funny?
Bro, please. Could we just rob them and go? This isn't that serious.
Of course it isn't that serious for you. You old Caucasian, segregating, Donald Trump initiated.
Shut up! That doesn't even make sense.
Racism doesn't make sense.
They're not racist.
But you are.
You take that back.
No. Because you're always making us rob white people's houses. We never rob nobody that's black.
Because y'all don't got anything we want.
Y'all.
Yes, y'all. We rob white people because they got the bag. Look, I guarantee you, this man makes at least 6 figures.
It's true. With bonus, well over 6 figures.
You see? The only bags you'll get at black people houses are bags of condoms, weed, and hot Cheetos.
Where did you get those?
Damaquistas.
You got some damn nerve. Let me tell you something, Steve. All my life I had to fight. And I've been praying for the day that we would be treated as equals. I'm still praying for the day where I won't be discriminated against the color of my skin, but praised for the value of my love. Steve, I love you like a brother. And one of these days, the sound of my cries...
Well, at least I got the black one. Oh,
Hey, did I tell you I get a company car with this job?
really? That's fantastic. We could use another car.
I'm pretty excited. And an extra week's vacation.
Great, we can take that cruise.
Oh my god, yes.
I'm so excited. Spring break. We can go wherever you want.
That'll be awesome.
Oh, I do feel a little bad for Dale, though.
Oh, well, he did it to himself.
Yeah, I guess not that bad. Hey, you wouldn't mind reheating this, would you?
Oh, of course not.
It's been a while. It's a little cold.
Over this whole
Think
time.
you just step right over
I'm
it.
cold.
Do you want yours too, or are you good?
I'm good. I'm not hungry anyways.
Yeah, it kind of ruined our appetites, didn't it? All that speechifying. Lots to talk about. Wonder where the other guy went. Hey, honey, remind me to fix that back door lock.